I'm just making a few repairs on the polytunnel polythene today. I noticed a couple of tears after the winter, perhaps a branch or something had blown on them through the storms. So I've purchased some polythene repair tape from Amazon. It's super strong. I haven't used it before, so let's give it a go. Right, so what I'm going to be using to repair the polythene is obviously our tape. I'm going to need a sharp knife for cutting the tape because it is super strong. I'm also going to need some 90% alcohol cleaner and some tissue paper, just to clean the area, just to make sure we get a good bond with the tape. So I'm going to start by taking some tissue. Let's get the lid off. Always replace your lid so we don't tip it over. Try not to breathe it in too much. It's very powerful. Just clean. Just give that a good clean. Wow, very strong. I'm going to place that over. Damage. Just be careful with a knife that you don't actually cause more damage on your sheet. There we go. That's one repair done. And again, let's give it a good clean. One more to do, just along here. Just poke the grass back through. So, polytunnel, all repaired, all finished, ready for another growing season. Last thing I'd like to point out is the tape. If you do purchase this tape, as I say, it's very, very strong. It's actually stronger than the polythene. Do not store it inside the polytunnel because the temperatures it gets in there are so hot, it's likely to melt the glue and it'll just become a big mess. So I suggest storing it in somewhere cool.